how to get a free virtual credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can get your very own free virtual credit card in a step-by-step manner. So make sure to watch this video until the end so that you can know how to get your very own credit card, whether it be a debit or credit. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, I'm over here onto this website called Skrill, and I do have to mention that all of the websites that I'm going to be telling you about in this video, none of those websites give you any free money. So if you're hoping to get a free credit card with free money in it already, then that's not going to happen. No company gives that. No sane person would do that. If someone does do that, then be sure that that's a scam, and you should, leave it and get away from that. You're just going to create a card and you're going to have to use your own money. You're going to have to transfer your own money within that card to actually use it. So keep that in mind. So now that that's out of the way, let me just share with you. So this is Skrill. This is one of the best websites online, and as you can see over here, Trustpilot, it also gives it a 4 score, and it's really good. It's really reliable. It's one of the best ones out there to use to receive money, send money, to use as a to move money and all of that. And they also have a pretty amazing program. So let's get started. So it's completely free. As I said before, all the videos that I'm going to be telling you on this video is going to be free, so don't worry about that. Simply come over here and click on open a free account. So once you do that, you're simply going to go ahead and sign up and give a couple of your bank details, and then deposit a few dollars, and then you're good to go. So as you can see over here, this is how it looks like. Simply gonna go ahead and sign up, and I've already signed up, so this is how my dashboard looks like. So over here, as you can see, it looks pretty simple, looks pretty nice. I think I have to sign in again. All right, so over here, as you can see, I'm logged in, and this is how it looks like over here. So this is pretty simple. This is really nice. As you can see, there is no other option over here. You have to deposit at least $1.07 within your card, so within your account, to actually use it. So keep that in mind. And also, you can't make a card until you actually verify your Skrill. So over here, as you can see, explore Skrill level. So over here, I'm on level 2, I think. Still have to verify my account. I have given them all of the things. They're just gonna go ahead and do that. You can only create an account once you've cleared level 2, so only 3 steps to becoming a true skiller. Only 1 step left. Once you verify your account, you will have the option to create a card over here on the left side. It will say card. Once you click on it, you will be able to create a card. So keep that in mind. Just have to verify your account. That's the only drawback for Skrill, which I think is pretty good, because considering all of the other alternatives out there, it's one of the best ones out there. Moving on to the second website, is called privacy.com. Now privacy.com is pretty amazing. It's one of the best ones out there, and the reason why I love it so much is because it gives you the option to create number of cards for individual programs or individual softwares or individual websites that you try to use. So for example, if you want to listen to music on Netflix, if you want to listen to music on Spotify, then it will have a credit card directly built for that. And if you were using it to watch movies on Netflix, then you will have to create a card directly separately for Netflix. So everything is going to be separate, so that you can have like limits on those cards, and then no one can actually go past those cards as well. So it's pretty nice. It's really good. This is one of the reasons. It's one of the best ones out there, and it's completely free as well. But the only drawback for privacy.com is that when you try to create an account over here, if I click on my first virtual card, if I click on continue to funding or add funding, it will ask me for a US number. Now I don't have a US number, that's why I can't create it. But if you have a US number, you can easily create yourself a virtual card on privacy.com. But if you don't have one, you can't use it. You should just skip it or stick to Skrill or any other websites that I'm about to tell you. But if you have a US number, then be sure to use this. It's one of the best ones if you have that number. Moving on, the other good website that I have for you guys is called Wise. Now, it used to be called TransferWise, but they've now changed their company to just simply use it Wise. And this is also a pretty amazing website. It's one of the best ones out there. And for this one, you don't need a lot of, verification. You don't need a lot of, accounts or a lot of steps. You don't need a special number or anything like that. You can just go ahead and sign up and create cards, but I can't create cards in my own country because it's not available currently. But if you come over here on the left side, you will see the option cards. You just simply click on cards and you are good to go. So over here, as you can see, I don't have access to this website. I can't create a card, but pretty sure that maybe if I use a VPN, I would be able to. Let me see. Yeah, no, that didn't work because I inputted my location. But regardless, I'm pretty sure I won't be getting this card, but I'm pretty sure that for you, your location, you will have this card. So keep in mind that you can easily create a card. You don't have to worry about that. And the other thing this website offers is recipient payments. I mean, all of these website offers you recipient payments. Just simply click on recipients, add the bank, add a recipient, and you're good to go. So it's pretty amazing. It's pretty nice. And they also have a pretty good invite system as well. You can earn like 50 pounds GBP if you invite someone over into TransferWise as well. So, and then final website that I have for you guys is called iCard.com. Now this program is only available for your phones, whether it's iOS and Android. You can't use it on the computer. If you click on start now, you'll just have to input your number and you're good to go. So it's really simple. It's really nice. It's also available for your computer, I'm sorry, but you can mostly use it on your phone. That's what it's for. So this is also a pretty amazing website. You can get 2 cards on it, 2 virtual cards, MasterCard or Visa card, or both if you want. It all depends on you. So these were some of the things that I personally use. Now let me just show you how you can actually do it. So if you go over to TransferWise, now let me just show you how you can actually do it. So if I come over here and click on Skrill and I go into their account, I can go ahead and quickly just simply click on get started, open a free account, and I can quickly go ahead and sign up and just enter in my email address, and boom, you're good to go. And then I have to deposit at $1.07 within your account to actually make it functional. Same with TransferWise. It's pretty simple. Let me just show you. It used to be formerly TransferWise, but now it's TransferWise, but now it's Wise. It used to be TransferWise. It's pretty simple. It's really cool. So let's go ahead and click on get started and go ahead and register our account. Simply click on register and we can begin. So over here, just simply enter in your email address or continue with Google. It all depends on you. So if you click on Google, you can go ahead and log in with your Google account. I'm currently on incognito mode, so I can't access it. Just simply enter in your email address. They will ask you what type of account would you like to open. You can choose whichever one you want, but I chose personal. If you want to have personal account, you can go ahead and do that. But if you want to have like a business account for like freelance work or international work, whatever you want, then you can go ahead and do that as well. It's really simple. And then they ask you for your country, and then they ask you to enter in your number to send a 2-factor authentication. And once that's done, your account is basically activated, and boom, you're good to go. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you create a virtual credit card online. And these were some of the best websites out there for you to do so. So let me know in the comment sections down below which website you are using, and let me know if there is anything else I can do for you guys. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.